What if I told you the Titanic wasn't the ship that sank? It sounds crazy, but some believe the Titanic never actually met its fate in the icy waters of the Atlantic. Instead, they argue that it was the Olympic, Titanic's sister ship, that went down. This theory suggests a massive cover-up. The Olympic had been in a serious accident before the fateful voyage, damaged and costly to repair. Could it be that the White Star Line decided to switch the ships? The Titanic, pristine and unsinkable, was the perfect candidate for a grand insurance scam. Imagine the scene. The Titanic, a symbol of luxury, sailing confidently into the night. But what if it was all a facade? Supporters of this theory point to discrepancies in photos and reports. Some claim the ship in the wreck is not the Titanic at all. Could this be the greatest deception in maritime history? The idea raises eyebrows and sparks curiosity. What really happened that night? The truth may be buried under waves of mystery, waiting to be uncovered. Planes and ships vanish without a trace. But why? The Bermuda Triangle, a mysterious stretch of ocean between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has captivated imaginations for decades. In 1918, the USS Cyclops disappeared with 309 men aboard. No wreckage, no survivors, just gone. Fast forward to 1945, when 5 Avenger torpedo bombers vanished during a routine training flight. Their leader reported strange compass readings before they disappeared. What's happening in this enigmatic area? Some scientists suggest natural explanations. Underwater earthquakes could create massive waves, while methane hydrate eruptions may cause vessels to sink. Others point to magnetic anomalies that confuse navigational instruments. But the mystery deepens. The area is prone to unpredictable weather, with sudden storms that can catch anyone off guard. Is it simply nature at work, or is there something more sinister? While many theories exist, the truth remains elusive. The Bermuda Triangle continues to be a hotbed of speculation. What really lies beneath those waves? Could it be a portal to another dimension? The answers may never be clear, but the intrigue endures. A plane carrying 239 people vanished without a trace, and we still don't know why. Malaysia Airlines flight MH370 took off on March 8, 2014, and then disappeared from radar. It's a mystery that haunts aviation history. Official theories suggest a catastrophic failure, but no wreckage was found for months. The search covered vast areas of the Indian Ocean, yet nothing conclusive emerged. Conspiracy theories exploded. Some believe it was a hijacking, while others speculate about a secret government cover-up. Did the plane land somewhere unknown? Could it have been a tragic accident or a deliberate act? Theories range from a pilot's suicide to extraterrestrial involvement. Each theory raises more questions than answers. In 2018, pieces of debris washed ashore, confirming the flight crashed. But why? What happened in those final moments? Families are left with heartache and uncertainty. The mystery of Flight MH370 continues to captivate and terrify. Will we ever uncover the truth behind this aviation enigma? As technology advances, hope remains, but the clock is ticking. Time is running out to solve one of the greatest mysteries of our time. In 1977, scientists picked up a radio signal from space, and we still don't know where it came from. This mysterious signal, known as the WOW signal, lasted 72 seconds and was unlike anything ever recorded. It came from the direction of the Sagittarius constellation, sparking excitement and curiosity. Was it a message from extraterrestrial life? Astronomers have been searching for signs of life beyond Earth for decades. The WOW signal ignited a firestorm of interest in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI. Researchers have scoured the cosmos, listening for similar signals, but nothing has matched the intensity of that one fateful day. Some believe the signal was a natural phenomenon, while others argue it could have been a deliberate communication from an advanced civilization. The truth is, the universe is vast, and the possibilities are endless. Every time we look to the stars, we wonder, are we truly alone? The WOW signal remains a tantalizing enigma, a reminder that our quest for knowledge may lead us to answers we never expected. What if the next signal could change everything? The pyramids are over 4,500 years old, and we still don't fully understand how they were built. Imagine massive stones weighing tons, perfectly aligned and stacked to create these monumental structures. How did ancient Egyptians accomplish this feat without modern technology? Some experts believe they used a clever system of ramps to move the stones. Others suggest they employed a workforce of skilled laborers, not slaves as often thought. But wait, what if there's more to the story? Enter the alien conspiracy theories. Some claim extraterrestrial beings helped construct these wonders, using advanced technology lost to time. It sounds outrageous, right? Yet, the precision of the pyramids does raise questions. Could it be that we underestimate the ingenuity of ancient civilizations? Or is it possible that we're missing key evidence that could rewrite history? The mystery deepens when considering the alignment of the pyramids with celestial bodies. Was it mere coincidence, or a hidden knowledge of astronomy? The truth may be stranger than fiction. As we dig deeper, the enigma of the pyramids continues to captivate our imagination. What do you think happened? The universe is filled with billions of planets, so where are all the aliens? This question haunts scientists and dreamers alike. The Fermi paradox challenges our understanding of life beyond Earth. With so many stars and potentially habitable worlds, one would expect to see evidence of extraterrestrial civilizations, yet silence reigns. One explanation is the Great Filter. This theory suggests there are significant barriers to the emergence of intelligent life. Perhaps life is incredibly rare, or civilizations self-destruct before they can explore the stars. Imagine a thriving society that invents technology, only to face catastrophic consequences. Another possibility is that advanced civilizations are out there, but they're avoiding us. They might be listening, studying, or even observing from afar. What if they know we're not ready for contact? Or maybe they're simply too far away. The vastness of space means even the closest civilizations could be light years apart. As we search the cosmos, we must confront these unsettling truths. The silence of the universe is both a mystery and a challenge. Are we alone, or is the answer just beyond our reach? One of the most powerful men in the world was assassinated, and people still don't believe the official story. The assassination of President John F. Kennedy in 1963 remains a hotbed of conspiracy theories. Many believe there was a second shooter. Witnesses reported hearing shots from different angles. Could there have been a coordinated attack? The infamous grassy knoll is often cited as the location of this alleged second shooter. Eyewitnesses claim to see a figure firing from that spot. Yet, the official investigation dismissed this idea. Why? Missing evidence adds fuel to the fire. Key photographs and documents have mysteriously vanished over the years. Why were these pieces of the puzzle never revealed? Some speculate that powerful forces wanted to protect their interests. Theories range from the mob's involvement to the CIA's hidden agenda. Each theory raises more questions than answers. Why do so many people distrust the official narrative? The truth may be buried deeper than anyone realizes. As new information emerges, the mystery of JFK's assassination continues to captivate minds and stir debate. What really happened that fateful day? Millions of people still believe NASA faked the moon landing. Are they right? This theory has persisted for decades, fueled by skepticism and conspiracy. Some claim the shadows in the photos are inconsistent. They argue that if the sun was the only light source, shadows should align. NASA counters that uneven terrain creates varying shadow angles. Another popular claim is the absence of stars in the lunar photos. Critics say this proves a staged set. NASA explains that the camera settings were adjusted for bright lunar surfaces, making stars invisible in the exposure. Then there's the famous waving flag. Detractors insist it couldn't flutter without wind. But NASA clarifies that the flag had a horizontal rod to keep it extended, creating the illusion of movement. And what about the supposed radiation from the Van Allen belts? Some argue astronauts could not survive the journey. NASA reassures that the quick transit minimized exposure, keeping them safe. Despite the evidence, conspiracy theories thrive. They question authority and ignite curiosity. Why do these doubts linger? The moon landing remains a symbol of human achievement, yet the allure of conspiracy captivates many. 9 hikers went missing. When they were found, something was horribly wrong. The Dyatlov Pass incident shook the world. In 1959, 9 experienced hikers ventured into the Ural Mountains but never returned. Their tent was discovered torn open from the inside, and their bodies scattered across the snow. Some were found with bizarre injuries. One had a missing tongue, another suffered a fractured skull, yet no external wounds were visible. Was it an avalanche? Experts debated this theory, but the evidence didn't add up. The hikers had set up camp on a slope, and an avalanche would have buried them. Others suggested a secret military test gone awry. The region was known for covert operations during the Cold War. Could the hikers have stumbled upon something they shouldn't have? Then there's the theory of a Yeti or other supernatural forces. Eyewitness accounts of strange lights in the sky added to the mystery. With no definitive answers, the Dyatlov Pass incident remains one of the most chilling unsolved mysteries in history. What really happened that fateful night? The truth may never be known. This book is over 600 years old, and no one can read it. The Voynich manuscript sits in a glass case, an enigma wrapped in mystery. Its pages overflow with bizarre illustrations of plants, astrological diagrams, and naked figures. Scholars have puzzled over its cryptic text for centuries. Some say it's a lost language, while others argue it's an elaborate hoax. Could it be an ancient code, a secret language meant for a select few? Or is it the work of a mad genius, scribbling nonsense? Theories abound. Some believe it was created in the 15th century by an unknown author in Italy, while others suggest it hails from the far reaches of the world, perhaps even by extraterrestrial beings. Imagine a manuscript that could hold the key to forgotten knowledge or a hidden treasure. What if it contains secrets of the universe? The intrigue deepens as scientists employ advanced technology to decode its text. Yet the manuscript remains stubbornly silent. Each attempt brings more questions than answers. The Voynich manuscript is not just a book. It's a puzzle that continues to baffle and fascinate. What truths lie within its pages?